Agricultural practices have been the same for thousands of years. Yeah, we might genetically modify some new corn or make some new kind of pesticide, but how we cultivate our food is always dirt. Hydroponics is a big word, so here's what it means. Hydro meaning hydrogen, which H2O is where we get the word water from, because hydrogen is the main component. Ponics comes from the Greek word meaning labor, but it is more commonly used to refer to as a system of growing. So here's how it works. In high school biology, everyone learned that plants need soil, water, and dirt to grow. Not hard, right? But there's something in there that's kind of missing in that curriculum. In the soil, there are things like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, sulfur, and calcium. And these are all things in the soil that the plants need to grow, the nutrients. After so many growing seasons, these nutrients are really hard to find in the soil because all the previous plants use them. But there's also something else called soil erosion that is a big problem facing farmers. Hydroponics eliminates the whole need for soil though. By placing the plant directly into a growing medium, with its roots having direct access to water that the nutrients are already in, you help the plant save a lot of energy by not having to make a root system in the soil, them reaching and growing and trying to find nutrients in water when it's given directly to them. When done correctly and efficiently, hydroponic crops can yield up to 50% more in comparison to traditional farming methods. So, what are the benefits? Crops can be grown year-round. Hydroponics isn't subject to the season, or the weather, the climate, or the terrain, or the nutrients in the soil, so crops can be grown year-round. Accessibility. With local hydroponic farms, food can become accessible to the local communities at a cheaper price and allow them to be able to have local fresh produce. And climate change. If local farms are providing the produce needed in their community, this will help cut down on the carbon emissions produced while transporting agricultural goods. It will also help cut down on the carbon emissions emitted by large farming machinery. Having some lettuce and water sounds all well and good to someone who has constant access to it, but imagine the implications for third world countries. It'll help create jobs, stimulate the economy, and provide fresh local produce to the local communities there. Places where growing food was only a fantasy can now be a produce-rich reality for them.